hair channel. I want to show you guys how I created these voluminous beachy waves, I guess you can call it. I got a lot of requests on our IG stories on how I curl my hair, so I thought I'd show you guys. The products that I'm using today are these two. This is the hairspray by MOROCCANOIL, and this is a dry shampoo by BEDHEAD called ROCKOHOLIC. And the iron that I'm using is a Bombay hair curling wand, and I will look up the exact model and let you guys know which one it is. And that's about it, so let's get started. First up, I'm going to apply some dry shampoo to my roots just to give my hair some texture and some volume at the roots. Now I usually, if I do curl my hair like more often, then I do use a heat protectant. So if you do, then definitely use a heat protectant, but I don't curl my hair very often, so I don't think I really need it. And my hair is super thick, so when I'm sectioning it, I take the top half and I just put that up, and then I work my way from the bottom to the top. So here I'm sectioning off my hair and I'm just curling away from my face. So if you are not used to using curling wand, then I definitely recommend wearing the glove that it comes with, but I do this quite often on my clients, so I think I got it down. So you'll see I'm just touching the hair to see if the heat has gone through. And as I release the curl, I will hold it just to let the heat go, the heat release from the curl, and I give it a little scrunch. Next, I'm just picking up the next section of hair and wrapping it around. You'll notice a little bit later on when I slow the video down that as I'm curling the hair away from the face, I'm also twisting it, and that's what gives it that textured curl. So again, just shaking off the heat, spraying a little bit of hairspray. Now I'm moving on to the other side, giving two sections, taking the wand and wrapping it around the wand, taking the hair and wrapping it around the wand away from my face, and twisting as I go. And usually the bottom half of the hair, I don't really pay attention too much for it to be curled. I really pay attention like to the top. Okay, now I'm taking two sections from the front. There's no right or wrong way to do the section, really. I just went for the front part. Sometimes I go for the back part first and then do the front last. Again, I have so much hair, so here I am. I am slowing it down, so you'll see I am ribboning the hair around the wand, but I'm also twisting it as I go, especially towards the end. And then the ends of the hair I leave out because I want it to have that messy, beachy look. So it doesn't need to be like perfectly curled. And then I'll give it a little bit of spray of hairspray. And now you'll notice I'm doing the front again. I slowed it down, ribboning the hair around the wand, away from the face, and I'm twisting the ends of the hair as I'm wrapping. And then you'll see I'm going up and down because I don't want the front of the hair to have like a really defined curl. I want it to look very natural. So I don't want to keep the iron on too long in front. And I don't know about you guys, but my hair holds curl really well. I think it's because it's thicker. So I don't need that much hairspray, but if you have really fine hair and it doesn't hold curl, then you want to give it a good spray before and after. And you might even want to use a stronger hairspray. If you don't have a wand, like if you don't have a curling wand at home, but you do have a traditional curling iron with a clamp, you can also do this method with a traditional curling iron. Just don't use the clamp, wrap the hair around over the clamp. And again, as you see, I'm doing the same thing for each curl. I'm just curling it away from the face. When I release the iron, I am just holding onto the curl and kind of giving it a shake so the heat releases. And that locks in the curl much longer. You never really notice how white your scalp is till you record yourself doing your hair. And then I'm just using my fingernail to make my part a little bit more defined. go again. Just, you know, ribboning the hair around the wand, twisting it as I go. You'll notice I'm picking up smaller sections of hair in the front because I want the curls to look a little bit more defined. Do the same thing on the other side. There you go. So now all I'm doing is just running my fingers through my hair, just kind of, you know, meshing the curls together. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll wait till I'm done doing my makeup or getting dressed before I run my fingers through my hair. That way that locks in the curl a little bit more. But I went ahead and did it earlier, and you'll see that I just sprayed a little bit of hairspray, and I'm just giving the front a little comb just to make it look smoother. So that's the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you guys next time.